What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm back again with another review for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan International Pack. You know, they came out with a couple of shoes. They came out with the 3s. That was a part of the International Pack. They're coming out with some 12s. And they came out with these that I have right here early. Big shout out to J&M Sneakers. All the information will be in the description. J&M Sneakers, man, is a local store in New York, man. They ship, all that. Good people over there. Always take care of me. So, yeah, I definitely recommend you guys go follow them on Instagram. And if you're looking to get some kicks, man, hit up J&M Sneakers. And, of course, I'm going to give you guys an on feet. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. If you like them on feet, if you like these, if you don't, I'm here to give you these reviews. That's why I got them here right now for you guys. Now, also don't forget, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also click that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload videos like these. Take a look at the box, the navy blue Jordan box. It does Air Jordan International right there with the ball. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is Sail Race Blue Cone Black. These released August 25th. Retail is going to be 190 bucks. We have the Air Jordan 5 International Flights. Let you guys know right now off the rip what do I think about the shoe and stuff like that. The shoe is cool. Don't get me wrong. I love you know, that orange and blue type, you know, Knicks colorway. I'm not gonna front. I think they nice. The quality on the shoe too, the leather is really soft. Like a lot of Jordan 5s back in the day, the leather was so stiff. Over here it was just so hard. This is all just soft throughout the whole shoe. So as you guys can see, does have the black on the midsole that goes around the shoe. Take a look. You got your black that goes around. You do have the shark teeth right there in orange with some black speckling on it. Now what's also cool is they hit you with the netting. You got your clear netting over here. You do got a nice little detail of some colors, you know, orange and blue. Can't really tell what the detailing is. It's like a net kinda. It's cool though. It's a cool little touch, you know what I'm saying? You got your 23 on the side right there. I like how they hit us with the 23 with that blue and orange. Also comes with the lace lock in orange, and it does say Flight on it, and it does have the blue Jumpman. 3M tongue, man. The tongue sparks like crazy. You got your blue Jumpman, and y'all already know how the Jordan 5 tongue is. So I'm gonna give you guys a shot of what the tongue looks like in 3M right now. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial side, same as the lateral. Now, as I was saying about the detailing over here on the netting, you do have a bunch of detailing on the sock liner of the shoe, which is nice. It gives it a nice touch. And in the inner sole, you do have a blue inner sole. It's like a royal blue with the International Flight. Behind the tongue, you got your Air Jordan upside down in black. Bottom of the shoe, y'all already know, typical Jordan 5 bottom. You got your icy bottom with your orange Jumpman, and you got your Jordan in black right there. And they hit you with the Jumpman in the back right there. The Jumpman in the back is black. Now, all around, nice looking shoe, I must say. You know, it's not the best Jordan to come out, but quality is pretty good. Colorway is dope because I love me some Knicks colorway. I want to know what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section below. These released August 25th. But that's basically it. Stay tuned. Got more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Go check out J&M Sneakers. And also don't forget to check me out on Instagram. And also subscribe to the channel, man. Got more videos to come. Thank you guys for your support. We're going to get straight into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan. And I'm gone.
That slick mix, nigga.
Spend time. When a mother group bitch call me, I decline. She asked me, am I gonna wife her? Said I might. She thinks that I only want one night. She heard that I'm good for laying pipe. I might wife you when the time is right. But right now I'm on a go, I'm catching flights. a friend if she lets me. I might pull up in a Bentley. I ain't got no time for the stressing. Forever young, so you know I'm flexing. Ay, stack up just to spend, I don't need no friends. Ay, these niggas buying style, I be saying trends. Ay, walking through the mall with a couple fans. I do what I want, you do what you can. I don't want her money, I want her mine. We don't gotta fuck, we can spend time. When them other groupies call me, I decline. She asked me, am I gonna work for? Said I might. She thinks that I only want one night. She heard that I'm good for laying pipe. I might wife you when the time is right. But right now I'm on the go, I'm catching flights.